Tell us, what is it that you get out of this partnership?
I think the diversity of the people that come in, the vibe, the energy. So it's not just when we support other events, we have multiple startup events, other community events happening. There are usually people from a particular stream coming together with an objective that they want to achieve. But this one is very different. Here in multiple people from diverse backgrounds, they just come together and like Amit said, that it's all about creativity being explored.
Yeah.
And there's nothing which is, binding them. It's like, what next? हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Oh, can we do a salon here? No, what are the ideas of salon that we can do? Or what are the themes that we are taking up for this event? So right from that brainstorming to really hard planning.
Yeah.
So it brings in a very different energy. And I think along with the energy, it's the warmth of the people.
How wonderful.
Like people don't come with an objective of gaining something. Here people are coming with an objective of giving something. We always talk about that give, and people keep thinking कि कहाँ देना है? What do I give? Where do I give? But this platform wherein giving just comes naturally, and this is what we also do. And your mood also changes as a partner there, right? Initially you're just high-fiving and chilling, and slowly you go into the room and say, hey, do you need anything?
Yeah.
So for us it is not like, we're giving this space. That's what I said. It's like we know that this event has to happen. It's a purpose, it's a cause. And then it becomes like, how can we contribute? So whatever is needed in the last minute, if it's a team member who has to just ensure that their things are coming and they are kept safely to whatever things have to be managed, or if there is any small little petty thing which needs to be, which is like a gap, we don't mind stepping in and say, the idea is that it should be done.